A decade ago, the nation's IRAs and 401ks lost around $2.4 trillion. And with rising uncertainty in the world, many fear the next crash is looming. Can you trust the stock market alone with something as important as your retirement savings? Luckily, you don't have to. The price of gold is on the move, with some predicting it will double in the future. And as a physical, tangible asset, it's less vulnerable to the volatility of the stock market, which makes it a powerful government-approved tool in hedging your retirement savings against loss. With your first call to U.S. Money Reserve, you're on your way to peace of mind, knowing that your future is more secure. You can get started today. Click the link below to take U.S. Money Reserve's exclusive free IRA retirement quiz. You'll also receive our free IRA information packet. It's full of everything you need to know about getting started on your self-directed IRA today. With your money in a secure precious metals account, you can stop worrying about your retirement and start looking forward to it.